Hi, I'm bringing today a very nutritious bowl made with figs and nuts. The top one are more crunchy and the bottom one are more creamy one. So let's start it. We need 200 grams of dry figs, 150 grams of sultanas, 100 grams of cashews, 100 grams of almonds. Then you take it to a blender. Just take about for a minute if you want a crunchy one, or if you want a more soft and creamy one, you need to have for at least 2 minutes in a good blender. Okay, you can help with a spoon if you want to make sure that they're really getting the mixture you want it. Can you see now? This is a little bit more crunchy nuts, and this is only about a minute. Take it with your hands. Make sure that you have wet hands. You can put a bit of water, and that it's going to be easier to make the balls. This mixture is a little bit more creamy. You can see it's more consistent, and it's harder to take it because it's very compact. But as I said to you before, it's a lot more creamy. And again, you can wet your hands and make the ball the size you like it. Can you see it? This is a great alternative if you want to have breakfast in the morning, 1 or 2 balls and just a piece of bread. That can make your day. And this is the crunchy one, the one that you have on top, and you can see the difference with the one at the bottom, more creamy. You can choose the consistency you want it by blending more or less. If you're a figs lover, you're gonna love this recipe. So give it a try. Enjoy.